What's up, squeegee slingers? Today we're going to talk about advertising simplified. So let's get at it. Well, we all want to have some kind of new customers coming in. Some of you more, some of you less, but all of us want to have some kind of growth. If you don't want growth, it's good for you. But there's a few things we need to do to get that advertising to work for us. The first thing is get people's attention. This is big because if you get people's attention, they're not going to keep scrolling. With advertising, it's just that. You have to have people to stop scrolling. They say that we have 10,000 pieces of advertising we see a day. How do you break through that? You want to be visually soothing. You don't want to be harsh or make people uncomfortable by weird color combinations or text that sucks or Comic Sans for that reason. Getting colors that work together, color palettes, getting text that works, and things that just put out a great image is something that you want to focus on. If it's uncomfortable or something that just doesn't look visually appealing, they're not even gonna stop. Another big thing is to create curiosity. Remember, what we're trying to do with advertising is not sell them everything in the ad. You don't want to educate them. You don't want to tell them everything that you do, and you don't want to list every service you possibly think of. What you do want to do is give some kind of curiosity. Get them wanting more. Get them to stop, want to know more, and click on your links. That's in fact what a website is. It's just an area for them to look more into you, see what they like, and kind of find if you're the right company for them. But the only way to do that is to get them curious about you. Get them curious about what your company is and what you do and what you offer. That's all an ad is supposed to do. It's not list everything, it's just to give them a taste. And the last thing that makes an ad work or not work is to have a buying trigger. What do you have that makes them actually want to buy? If it's nothing, then it doesn't much matter. You can tell a lot of people a lot of things about your company, but if it doesn't get them to buy, the ad didn't work. In fact, that's what ROI stands for, return on investment. And if I don't sell you something that you read my ad, I paid for an ad, you didn't buy, that's a big fat zero. So that buying trigger is going to be something that is specific. If you call right now, you're gonna get XYZ. Remember, add value, don't discount prices. We're a luxury business. We don't necessarily offer our services to the lowest bidder usually, and if you think that's all people are looking at, you're doing the wrong thing. Well, that's it for today. If you like what you see, click subscribe. It's absolutely free, and if you need cleaning supplies, put your orders in through me. That's what I do, and it's absolutely free. But either way, keep learning about business, be better than you were yesterday, and be epic.